Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to fix the YouTube Shorts no sound issue and you are looking out how to fix that issue, so you may follow up these solutions for that. So we can start by opening up YouTube directly. And once you reach over here, first of all, you can just head over and check out the device application volume. You can use the volume button on your device for that and see if it's only for Shorts or the entire application. You can check it out. Apart from that, what you may do is you can restart your device. You can hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option and tap on restart and restart your device. And I can restart the application and see if that fixes your issue. Also ensure that the application is updated. Go to Play Store for that and go to the search and you can look out for your YouTube app here. And once you find it up, ensure this application right here is updated to the latest version. If not, you can just go over and even uninstall it and you can reinstall the latest version available directly. That is also possible. Also, what you may do is you can check your Wi-Fi or the data connection. You can look out for the Wi-Fi in your quick settings panels and check it out. You can switch it between your mobile data and see if it's the issue or not. Or sometimes what you may do is you can access your quick settings panels and look out for the Bluetooth option. So if this Bluetooth option is turned on right here, you can turn it off or disconnect any kind of connected Bluetooth devices because that may be the issue why you are not getting any sound on your YouTube Shorts. So you can just go over and check it out and that should also probably fix the issue. Apart from that, you may clear out the cache. You can hold the application for that and go to their info and scroll down and go to the storage. And within storage, look out for clear cache, also clear data if necessary. And that's it. Those are probably some of the methods available. You can check it out and also check out if it's a hardware issue. If it is, you may need to repair it. But for now, you may follow out the solution. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.